Oh, what is going on, you guys? It is your man, 2 Down Dan, back with another video. I am so excited. We are on the 500, and we got Jacob. Look at that. Traumoto Micro right there on his hip. Absolutely sick. And actually, hold on. While we're still here, I got the Pro, and I got the Light, which means you're going to be seeing some crazy lane splitting right now. Not crazy, but we're going to be lane splitting through a lot of traffic. So, if someone cuts in front of us, or any type of bad situation happens, guess what, baby? I got the Pro, and he's got the Light. Yeah! Dude, I think we both just false neutraled. I'm dead ass. I think we both... What the? Scooter? Scooter, homie. Yo, that was crazy. But like I said, boys, enjoy 2 Ninja 500s cutting some traffic. Because that's what me and Jacob like to do, baby. Safe lane splitting, though, for us, to be honest. That's how I feel about it. Like, I know every time I'm out here, I'm risking my life. And, like, I don't want to push it, of course. But at the same time, bro, I need to have fun. Like, I bought the bike and I need to have fun. So there's a certain portion of me that is like, the dichotomy, I get it. It's split because so many of you are like, oh, you promote safety, but you ride crazy or you lane split. And it's like, bro, that just comes with the territory. Like, riding a motorcycle in California or one of these legal states, it's what we're gonna do. But look at that thing, yo, let's go. It's so sick. So if you ride with me and stuff, and I have extra gear, ice sleeves, whatever I got, yo, I'm gonna hook you up so that we can ride and have some fun. Let's race him off the line. Sheesh. Let's go, boys. We're ripping today. Sit back, relax, and watch us tear up California Highway at... Oh my God! I'm so sorry, yo. That was scary. I gotta remember about that every time. There's a massive bump right there, bro, and I hit it. It scares me. I gotta remind myself of that thing. Sheesh. 4th gear, 3rd gear. Dude, his new exhaust sounds so good. Yo, let me give you guys a good view of his new exhaust. Dude, check that new exhaust out. What is that, Amazon? Yeah. Yep, let's go, baby. Maybe if I can talk to him after. Let's get up into 3rd gear for this corner. We aren't low siding today, baby. Oh, shit! I think he just scraped peg. My God! Look at the lean! Look at the lean on that kid right there, huh? Dude, he's killing it right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Time to have some fun, baby! This is why we come out here. To be completely honest with you guys, I'm on my off day right now, and we kind of low-key specifically come out here when there's traffic. It's definitely not, again, not role model type activities, for sure, but we are having a lot of fun, and right now, we are on our way to his house, because he's got some kittens, you guys, and Stella is really, really lonely, so, oh shoot, we're gonna have to go to the right, I just waved him. I was like, yo, we gotta pass that guy however he can. So I think he's behind me now. But dude, oh my God, we gotta be careful, no, for sure, because this is crazy. This might be the thickest traffic I think we've gone through. Why is it so thick? It's literally Thursday, my G's. We've literally come out here at this same time before, so I don't know why right now it's seemingly so much thicker than usual. But boys, are you getting a good video right now? This is exactly how much confidence the Ninja 500 can instill with you. What the fuck? That's not good. Where are you going? There was nowhere for him to even go. So, like, why was he trying to come further into this lane when he couldn't even move over? That's the only thing I'm confused about. Yo, also, Jacob is vlogging right now. He's trying to get into the YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff. So, if you happen to come across his videos and stuff, definitely support him. Give him a subscribe. If I can, maybe I will be able to link his channel if he's got one up by then. But yo, we're just ripping, having a great day. I want to talk to you guys about some updates, some new partners, some new affiliates, some new products that are coming. And the first one that I'm extremely excited about, I've wanted one of these for a long time. It is a motorcycle pit mat. I guess I shouldn't call it pit mat. It's just a motorcycle like garage mat, and it's made by a company called MPM Motorcycle Mats. And we are getting a custom one with specific for the Ninja 500 40th anniversary model. And it's gonna have my name on it. It's gonna have my YouTube handle thing, the little Instagram handle thing. It has Stella on it, you guys. So get hype in the comments right now for the motorcycle mats, especially if you want one customized for your own bike and literally everything. The same way I got mine customized, you can get it customized as well. And we'll be able to use 2DownDan. The code 2DownDan, like I said, that's gonna start being as valuable as freaking gold, you guys. Any single motorcycle like website or whatever, like good quality stuff, you're gonna start being able to use 2DownDan like everywhere, you guys. Because I'm not stopping this goal. This mission is to stay out here as long as possible, ride, and you know, work with companies, do all that stuff. I'm turning this into a business, you know. I'm not just out here riding a Ninja 500 for nothing. I am trying to do very specific things every time I'm out on my bike, honestly. I'm either shooting videos or getting to work or doing whatever. This bike is my life. I love this thing to death. So when people are in my comments and they say things like, bro is coping, or bro is this, or bro needs a faster bike, it honestly makes me so happy. Like it gives me joy, because people think that I've made the wrong decision, but they can think like all they want because they just don't know me. Like, they don't have a personal relationship to me. They just see what they see online and then they'll comment. But dude, you have to realize the Ninja 500 is a freaking phenomenal choice for so many people, not just beginners like myself. And like the 400's been out for so long, I was always addicted to the look of the 400 and wanting one. So the 500 is just meeting all of my dreams and expectations and allowing me to work with these companies so that you guys, my loyal subscribers and people who watch these videos, oh shit, hey, yo, that's mad funny. Dude, I love being in San Diego, in this area where so many people ride, even girls and stuff, and you got creators, you got this, you got that. Like, it's such a mixed bag of people. And I literally, it's just so me, like it's just so who I am. Again, you have to understand where I come from and what I've done as a kid and everything to fully understand what you're watching right now. But just know that I'm a dude, my name's Dan, and I like having fun on my Ninja 500. And if you want to subscribe and see more videos like this of us cooking traffic and lane splitting cars, well, me and Jacob here are taking over the San Diego area in terms of Ninja 500 riders, my guys. He's got some serious skills. I mean, that first corner was no joke, yo. And I think he literally scraped peg. I might be tripping, but I heard a scrape. I heard something scrape. And I looked over and he was leaned goddamn to the floor. That shit was sick. Bro, you're gonna love looking at that on film and once you get home. Not mine, but dude, now I'm just so happy he has his own. He's got the Osmo 5, so if you're looking to moto vlog, don't get what I have anymore. Get what Jacob has, bro. He's got the Osmo 5, because if you want to do what I do during the day, boom, no problem. But also at night, his camera can do some dirty, dirty things at night. It's got a, what they call the super night mode, and DJI killed it with that. They absolutely killed it. You just turn your thing on to super night mode, and you can get the best footage ever. You don't have to worry about settings or anything. I'm cooking it up, boys. This is my highway. I know where I'm at. And I know where the cars like to go and don't go. Therefore, I'm going. Balls to the wall. Shoo! 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 Let's go! Let's go, baby! Yes, part of this driving may be because I am going through tragedy, mini tragedy, breakup, yada yada, whatever. But hey, I'm having fun. Jacob's having fun, and we are about to go meet Stella's baby brother. I'm sure everything's gonna go well. The cat looks amazing. He's been taking great care of these little kittens. He's got multiple cats. He's got like 5 cats or 7 cats, something crazy. And, you know, he's offered to let me take one of his little kittens off his hands, bro. So get hype and show me you're a loyal subscriber for sure, or just loyal follower and you want to have some fun. What should the name of my new baby boy kitten be? Stella is the name of my girl cat, Bengal cat I have already. So I guess it doesn't have to like rhyme with Stella, but maybe something that like plays off Stella would be cute. I've been thinking about Squish. I kind of like the name Squish. He's been calling the cat Wheels because he runs around a lot. So maybe we'll stick with Wheels or Squish. I really don't know, dude. But I'm very, very excited. The thought of getting a little baby kitten boy for me and Stella to just hang around with and stuff, it's just such a blessing. These videos are a blessing. The fact that any of you are still listening and just chilling is amazing. Like, I just get to, even though I'm still working my full-time job, like, I like my job, guys. It's really not bad. I've had some horrible jobs in the past. Accounting, horrible jobs. Grocery stores, pretty terrible jobs. Subway, terrible job. Door-to-door solar, god-awful job. I mean, guys, I've kind of done it all, and I work at a dispensary now. It is so damn chill. So anytime I complain about going to work or having work, just know I'm being a big baby. A big-ass baby. But, because eventually, bro, this is what I want to do full-time. Thank you for being here for another video. And please, subscribe in the middle if you haven't. Go shoot at one of these videos. I got 2 of them. Later, keep your wheels 2 down, baby. Peace.